First up, understanding the dynamics of the road. Where two roads cross, there's always a major and a minor road. How do you know which is which? If you see give way markings in front of you, you're on the minor road. If they're to your side, you're on the major one. Oh, now you've got that down. What about identifying when a left turn is coming up? Keep an eye out for signs, road markings, gaps in buildings, parked cars, and other drivers indicating a turn. These are all clues that a junction could be approaching. Ready to make that turn? Remember the MSPSL routine: mirrors, signal, position, speed, and look. This routine keeps you safe by ensuring you're aware of your surroundings, signaling your intentions, positioning your vehicle correctly, controlling your speed, and watching out for potential hazards. So you've checked your mirrors and you know what's going on around you. Next, signal your intention to turn. Time your signal based on your speed and the traffic conditions to ensure other drivers can anticipate your move. Position your vehicle about a meter from the curb and control your speed so it's safe but doesn't encourage others to overtake. Choose the right gear based on the sharpness of the turn and your view of the junction. Lastly, look into the road you're turning into. Check for obstructions, traffic, pedestrians. Interpret the movements of pedestrians and other road users to ensure you make your turn safely. To wrap it up, safe driving is about making informed and cautious decisions. Follow these steps for a left turn and you'll be on your way to a smooth and safe journey. And remember, Wimbledon Driving School is here to help with all your driving needs. Drive safely and confidently. For more tips and driving lessons, visit our website at www.wimbledondrivingschool.com.